Hey guys, today we're going to talk about grilling outside the backyard. Nexgrill makes some great portable grills that are perfect for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor adventure. I'm going to show you my frittata recipe that's easy to take on the go. Aside from a quality portable grill like the Fortress 2.0, the key to a successful cookout away from home is preparation. So before we head out, we're going to prep and pack our ingredients in small, sealable containers. Today we're going to cook up a frittata. We'll need 6 pre-scrambled eggs, 1 onion chopped, half zucchini also chopped, half tomato diced, a few pinches of salt, a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil, and some grated Gruyere cheese. Now that there's no patio furniture in sight, let's fire up our Fortress 2.0. Once our Fortress is up to around 350 degrees, we'll be ready to grill. Simple, easy, and an overall upgrade to your grilling adventures. For more grill tips, recipes, or to pick up a Fortress 2.0 of your own, visit nexgrill.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.